So today I will show you how to make gold tools. First off, we need to uh, get a pickaxe and go down underground. I have found a big cave right here, and I will show you how to get gold tools. As we see down here, we have gold. This is iron, and this is gold. You need an iron pickaxe. I'll show you why. I have a stone pickaxe right here. If I dig this gold block, nothing happens. I don't get any gold at all. So we need an iron pickaxe. So when I have this iron pickaxe right now, you see here, I get raw gold. So I will dig some gold here for you, and I will show you how to make some tools afterwards. So now I have some gold right here. And what you need to do with this, you need to smelt this. You see it's raw gold. So what we have to do, we have to find coal. But I will just speed it up a little for you. So I will go into creative mode and show you. Coal. And then we also need, always when you go underground, you should have food, number one, and some wood. I'll show you here. And with the wood, we will make a crafting table. And then we also need stone. So it's cobblestone. So I will just do it much quicker there. Show you. So we can make some furnaces here. Like this. You don't need so many, but then you take coal and put the raw iron in. Like this. We wait for it to smelt. So now we have our gold. We will do some sticks, and I will show you how to make the tools. You press 2 sticks like this, 3 like this for a golden pickaxe. This mines much more quicker than the iron and the stone, and also the wood, of course. 1 stick, 2 gold above for a sword. At least will look cool now, but it does not do so much damage. 2 sticks, 3 like this for golden axe. Doesn't matter which side you do it on. Can be left and right. 2 sticks, 1 on the top for a golden shovel. You can even do like this, so it doesn't have to be in the middle. And make the hoe. And we do the spear. So now we have all the tools in gold. With this you can kill. If I can hit this, I can't. What fuck? And with this you mine. The axe, you dig wood very fast. The shovel, you dig grass and gravel very quick. The spear is like the sword. And the hoe, you to make farms with. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will happily answer them. Bye.